Hello everyone, we at Infometry welcome you to experience an amazing implementation of Infometry Google Sheet Connector with Informatica. Today we are going to learn how to update data from local.csv file to our Google Sheet. Here is our Google Sheet with certain data in it. Similarly, here is our .csv file with much more data than our Google Sheet. Before updating data in our Google Sheet, we have to make sure that header of our Google Sheet and header of our .csv file would remain same. So now we are going to log into our Informatica Cloud. After logging into Informatica Cloud, click on New. Then go to Mapping, create a mapping task. Give this task your desired name. I am giving it as EK TestWed 2. Now go to Source, click on Source. Now select the connection as your flat file. Now click on Object. So I have data available in testnew.csv file. Now click on Target. Now select your Google Sheet connection. Select Object. So I want to update data in my Google Sheet 1. Select operation as update. Now go to field mapping. Since I have field mapping option as manual, let's do a smart match. So we have 3 fields mapped using smart match. Now save the task. Now click on Run. Select your runtime environment and now run the task. Now you can go to My Jobs and view your task. So here your task is running. Now we have updates available. So we can click on refresh button and our task is successful. So let's go to our Google Sheet and check whether the data has been updated or not. So as you can see, we had data till here and connector did a smart match and updated the remaining data in the sheet. So there is. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos on Infometry products and solutions, please subscribe, share and like this video.